Let's do this right. I've gotten a couple requests for a dual screen gaming tutorial. So here we are. LG's dual screen can be a huge boon for mobile gamers. Turn on the dual screen, open the game launcher, and select this LG gamepad. Bam! Your phone becomes a control surface for the gameplay on the second screen. But the built-in controllers can be a little limiting. For example, the main gamepad acts like a real hardware gamepad. So if you play a game without proper gamepad support, LG's stock option isn't going to work there either. I run into this on games that force multiple button or trigger actions on gamepads. Now, triggers don't really work on a pure touchscreen controller. So what to do? You gotta roll your own. When you make a custom controller, LG's gamepad software will remap where you would touch on the screen to a button on the other display. And you can map as many actions as you want. This has the added benefit of moving controls around to where they might be most comfortable for you. I don't love gaming on tall, skinny, no bezel phones where the controls are sort of pushed to the thumb crampiest edges of the screen. Making a custom controller helps give me a little more room. So here's what we're gonna do. You're gonna launch the game you wanna make a gamepad for. You're gonna hit the little joystick button and scroll over to Create Custom Gamepad. Then hit the little plus button and select the type of control you need, like a little analog stick to move your character around, or buttons for places on the screen that you wanna tap. Then move those buttons where they're most comfortable for your thumbs and pinch to make buttons and sticks larger or smaller. Voila, custom gamepad, set up perfectly for your hands. The only game styles I don't think work great with a virtual controller are first and third person shooters, where you might need to move and aim and hit a trigger to shoot. But any game with reasonably decent on-screen controls can easily be mapped to a custom virtual gamepad. It's pretty satisfying taking your thumb off of the screen, even for games with simple swipe mechanics. Twin stick shooters, dungeon looters, platformers, racing titles, they all get better with better controls. I hope this has helped you set up your dual screen LG. Now get out there and play some fun games. As always, thanks so much for watching, for sharing these videos. Sharing is super important these days, and subscribing. I'll catch y'all on the next video.